Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing an install using Ronniehair. Now first things first, this hair felt so freaking soft off the pat, and this is a U-part wig, y'all. I kind of felt like y'all got tired of seeing lace on my channel, so that's why I wanted to give y'all something different. But y'all tell me how I did, like, y'all just drop in the comments. Anyway, again, this is from Ronniehair, and it's a U-part wig, and it came with the caps, the wig, extra clips if you needed them. But y'all, this wig is a 26-inch body wave wig, and the wig held the curls so good. Like, it's been almost 4 days and she still has those curls in. By the way, y'all, this my mama. If some of y'all didn't know, I know some of y'all know her from TikTok. But y'all, like, you can't tell me this ain't wrong. This is basically the wig construction, but I'm gonna get to the install for y'all. So with the install, first thing you want to do is part out the section. We did a middle part today because this wig was made primarily for a middle part. You can change it to a side part if you choose to, but yeah. But anyway, you just want to braid it down. These braids don't have to be super small, but you need them to be flat. I tell everybody that. The smaller the braids, the flatter usually, but you'll have some people where you can do literally 4 braids and it be flat. To me, it's all about making it flat, not having a million braids. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a little close up on how I installed it. I did the best I can with the circumstances we were given. And sorry if y'all see my little brother running back there. But anyway, first, all you really want to do is apply the wig. After you apply, you can choose to sew it down. She did not want to sew it down because my mom like me and changed her hairstyle a lot. So we left it loose. But you can just sew it around. Going like basically how you would sew down a regular wig or sew down some tracks, just sewing it going in the direction it's already going in. Then after that, I'm just straightening out her hair. She hasn't had a perm or a relaxing, I don't know how long, so I just had to make sure those roots were straight, and I hit them with the wax stick and the hot comb, and then I went back through and flat ironed it all. And after that, I went and curled the hair, and then it was it. Tell me what y'all think though. I'm gonna let y'all finish watching this video, and just like, share, and subscribe, and comment what other videos y'all want to see.